Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can hack the Gili Bandeau pattern to create this Cult Gaia inspired top. For this, you're going to need the front pattern of the ring version of the Gili Bandeau, and you're going to cut 4 pieces, so basically a self and a lining for either side, left and right. The first thing you want to do is match the sides together, and you want to clip it in place so that it doesn't wiggle about and move when we stitch it down. We're just going to stitch the top and the bottom parts together. Don't forget to add elastic as well. When that's done, you'll end up with something like this. Now we can turn it right sides out. And now we're just going to match the side seams and the center fronts, making sure it's perfectly flush, and we're just going to clip that in place. When that's done, we're just going to close those seams, so you can use a zigzag stitch or an overlock, and you do not have to add elastic here. Now you just have to fold over the seam allowance, which is 1 centimeter, and I'm going to pin this before I use a straight stitch to create some strap channels. I like to stitch it right on the edge of that seam allowance so that I have an adequate amount for strap channels. Now when it comes to the straps, you can use elastic cord, or if you want you can make your own straps. So you can cut your desired width, just make sure that the length is around 130 centimeters long or longer. So I did 130 centimeters, and I'm just going to trim it as I stitch it just so I can get a nice little flush narrow strap piece. And don't forget to add elastic as well before you turn it to the right sides. So when you're done, you'll end up with 2 strap pieces like so. And now all we have to do is piece it together. It might be a bit finicky, so let's do this together. We're going to start with the center front piece, and we're going to hook the straps downwards. So basically the straps that are in the center will loop around our back, and we tie it there. Now we're going to do the back piece that we tie around our neck. So we're going to go in the opposite direction, so basically bringing it from down to up. And you're done. If you need more detailed information regarding how to cut the pieces, how to print the paper patterns, or watch the alternate tops, I have it linked in the description box below, and also linked to the playlist with the other versions that you can make from this pattern. I hope you guys try it out. Happy stitching!